Hello, Kevin with OGO, and today we're going to talk about the new RV Flange adapter plate. So the goal that this solves, or the problem that this solves, is when you have an RV toilet, you have this RV flange for the toilet that goes to your black tank. Well, sometimes you want to install a new composting toilet instead of having your RV toilet, but you have to deal with the RV flange. So an easy way to deal with it is to plug it and have an adapter plate. This adapter plate sits over top, and you'll see that we have 4 mounting holes, 2 mount screws to the floor, and then you just throw an OGO over top. And there are 4 pre-drills, so the mounting holes in the OGO, the mounting locations in the OGO, line up with those pre-drills. Here, and there's 2 in the back, and those line up, and everything should mount perfectly. And that's the RV adapter plate.